I bought a weapon. Deuce, deuce. The baby tucked in like I'm storytelling. Banana clip. Deuce, deuce. The baby tucked in like I'm storytelling. Banana clip sticking out that AK-47. Hitman get the ball head. That's Agent 47. Hey, the knife hit him in the magnum pop. Get stabbed, get shot. Sparks fly from the hand. Static shot. I grab a block. I grab a block. A pistol whip made the static drop. The hammer broke in my hand. That's hella from Thor Ragnarok. I catch it. Hey. Hey. I catch Hitman in traffic. Cut him off. He hop out like he wanna brawl. I hop out, start dumping off. He's running off.
Right here, John.
Don't get son involved. This shit will hurt me.
John acting annoying on that live.
Hey! Fuck a fight. I'll beat you with the back of the shotty until I break your neck. Show up to your funeral, and I will pay respect. Come and take a rap. We in Vegas. On place a bet. Scratch that. I'm about to revolve. On play roulette. Like the judge freeze away. He like max out. 50 in the clip, 42 in his back. Jerry Stackhouse. I black out. It's like a dice game when it's strap out. Double watch. 2 dive. I pull his crap out. I back out. You don't smoke or drink. Why would I slap box? I slide up with the stick like I'm about to take a slap shot. The beat safe, I gotta aim it up before the back hot. Shot like a slot machine. It looked like I hit the jackpot. Hey, I heard your girl named Cinnamon. Is that your wife or what?
You know I'm ghetto as shit, Kyra.
Spice shit up. I'm kicking his door around the quarter after 2. This bitch tried to run. I let off 3 and quarter after 2. Nigga, this gun bar shit, that's my one skill. I was at the shooting range, practicing with the sticks. That's a drum drill. Son, chill. You can't eat a book. That's unreal when he's trying it out. 9 in his mouth, that's a 1 drill. 1 shot, 1 kill. Straight through the chest with a gun deal. Aiming and boom, the play a balloon. Say a lung fill. I let a gun fill. I let a gun fill.
Not typical up north, motherfucker.
Shit, I fuck around and do your young ill. I tried to tell him. That shit, man. Come on, man.
3. URL Smack Volume 3. Saturday, December the 15th. The only way you can see it is live on pay-per-view. Order it now at watchbattlelive.com.
Didi.
I say you ain't look at my last kill. You should have learned from my last war. You got them kind of rounds some niggas stash for it. I heard your baby mama name. I don't know, cause that bitch ain't cute enough for me to ask for it. They say Hitman Holler the most viewed, but K-Rock might be the most loved and respected on your rail, and ask I'm okay with that. Hey yo, Jay Black, K-Rock being more loved, just let me know he ain't done enough to become most hated yet. Just don't trust this run. Don't you ever forget this eye shorty. If y'all don't know black on black crime, and Brother Farrakhan telling another sob story, then I suggest this hot head better chill for the built-in cooler system do the job for you. Boy, I got the metal on me now. I'm titaniumed up. Piss me off. I fuck around and titanium up. I know Surf's rolling with you. By the time that I count to 2, ain't taking shit to court when I count to 2. What you trying to do? Gang with me, gang with me. Twisting up fingers, go ahead, bang with me. Let these niggas gas you up like you can hang with me. Click hopper, team switcher, or I'ma lose and win with the niggas that came with me. I'm in Vegas with 2 sticks, like who try to play the game with me? Well, my jab nice. You swing on me, it'll be the last fight. Extendos, long arms. Well, my wingspan got me ready for draft night. Finger fuck the Nina, I make a call when I blast like trigger finger itching, I guess the Nina had fast, right? Hey, he thought, I said, I guess the Nina had crashed, right? He thought getting me off the big stage would matter. My nigga, y'all tripping. I'm still performing in this small room. Just a audition. We can fade or pistol grade. 4 or 5
What you mean while I'm not cooking? He is cooking. And I'm cooking, well, I'll start tonight after I'm done with my clients.
Hey, if I get caught with this, I'm guaranteed 10 to 15. So when I aim back to leave, I'm hitting 10 to 15. See the problem, you too tough. You need to learn when to stop. I brought some killers. You don't want to turn to an op. That's your hood. Don't let them get you smoked on the spot. You gold-tended. Pick the wrong time to go to the block, nigga. Hey, they get mad, they want me to fall off. But I just keep getting richer and richer. They just mad because I'm new nails. Every card I get bigger and bigger. I say look.
About an hour.
I say look. I got tired of y'all saying I was ducking him. Some more lies that was told, right? You forgot when you were scared to leave this platform, I was already battling across the globe, rock. Beanie sent me a list of names. Point guard was funny.
We watching Tay-Rock versus Hitman Holla. URL Smack Battle.
He tried to run, shot him in his legs. I don't condone that. Man, I had the nigga looking like he asked me, where my phone at? Ball game.
URL Smack Volume 3. Saturday, December the 15th. The only way you can see it is live on pay-per-view. Order it now at watchbattlelive.com.
I'm trying to give you an L in the building and an L on the internet. Fuck a person. Some shit I just never will address. You spell holla with an A. You spell it incorrect. I'll put holla in the ER. Am I spelling it correct? You con sucking dick for some wildin' out fame. If I didn't go up there, it'd just be for the wildin' out games. You don't want me to start wildin' out, man. You'll see a C, pick up and kill it. That's a wildin' out game. Speaking of wildin' out games,
In the do-rag.
Twitter tapping, talking shit. That 40 hit the back of his head, squirt out his mouth. That's talking spit, awkward shit. And now he in a coma, they inducing. I bring the deuce into your family reunion, like who we introducing? I gotta let him. Hey, hold on. Hey, like who we introducing? I gotta let him know who in control. Everybody gets shot. So much DNA, we don't know who on the board. I come to his crib with an AR and B and shoot the door up. Fuck that whole house. I leave that shit tore up from the floor up. I don't remember I battle rich dollars. Try to tell you I'm a hitman. You can holler if you want. There's something about Players Club, they'll find dollar in the trunk. Well, this time, I'm gonna put holler in the trunk. Bunch of duct tape around his mouth so you can't hear him holler in the trunk. bitch slap him, close the shit on him, then drag him in a Benz wagon, holler in the trunk, sound like a kidnapping. If I was gang banging, I'd keep shit cracking, fifth clapping, straight to your tissue, rip napping. Holler ran up on me like he wanted to fight, and seen the leg tuck. It was like, man, I was like, man, what? He was like, nah, Rock, like I said. You said what? Then a bald head, hit your bald head. That's a headbutt. Hey, how you a basketball player got Rock and you ain't checked up? Rock went behind his back and crossed him. It's a setup. I'm fed up. Put on his neck and won't let up. Pouring his covering with the white sheet. Look like they make
Yo, Diddy, you're crazy.
Nah, this shit too loud when clapping. Get pistol whipped till you power napping. This shit left howling in the room like a crowd reaction. Hey, from the roof I let a clip blam at you. Zoomed in scope, give me more views than a hitman battle. Serial number on it, look like the views on a hitman battle. We show out, my little brother jumped in.
Yeah, they look so dumb doing that.
Hey,
Every time.
I'm trying to leave dude in the street from using my heat. Applesauce through a tube he can eat from losing his teeth. Remember that shit I did with the seatbelt? That's the same shit I do to your teeth. Reach between my legs and slide the metal up like, yo, who the fuck ain't moving my feet? Hey, fuck that, not holler. For real, I've been waiting on you about 4 years to come and face me. There ain't a nigga spitting gumballs that could replace me. A nigga trying to play me, I'm just like Tsunami Surf. If I back out with the iron, you gonna be seeing JC. How you want it? How you want it? How you want it? How you want it? Give me my fucking money. How you want it? Hey, how you want it? The K clap to your brain splat, or the Louisville slugger base back to your face crack. Stitches and staples in his head, looking like a train track. Straight back, and it look like Holler got his face back. Hey, y'all know how y'all one of them rides at Six Flags is going up and you don't want to open up your eyes? Just like that, bah, Holler going down. That's a roller coaster ride, nigga. You gonna beat me? Still niggas lying. Tell them like I told the others, I don't feel niggas lines. We pulling, but I'm still giving lines.
Real nigga town. Let's get it. Give it up for my man Taylor. Give it up for my man.
He said I'm going real slow.
Said the announcement, I said, hey, main event, all the guns, this is John Gunn. Some say, the funny niggas come in and approach, they are waiting for your ride.
You are so silly. Why would you look up, not say hi to the people? He's like, oh shit, the camera on.
The excitement of the main event has already sparked ticket sales. However, many are asking, who else is the world's most respected, bringing along for the journey?
Hey yo!
Y'all thought y'all was supposed to run this out. Can't let it run down an hour back on the fucking front. Gumball King shit. Come and take over London. Cave gang gun type of shit.
I'm still here, and I can show you what one of these new niggas died at any moment. Well, I'm not bad, right? Bad.
You heard that, bro. I'm telling you, it is. The hell?
Who do you think is the best battle when people cross over?
Phone.
Nobody really beat that thing.
The last thing I heard the language is bad. I feel like it's perfect bad. Pick up speech.
Video.
What?